Did you know that Florence Nightingale was a skilled statistician? She used her skills to analyze data on the conditions in military hospitals during the Crimean War. Her findings helped to improve the care of wounded soldiers and led to a significant decrease in mortality rates. Nightingale's work as a statistician and nurse helped to revolutionize the field of nursing. She is considered the founder of modern nursing, and her legacy continues to inspire nurses around the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more.